guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina, and on this channel we talk about all things health, beauty and lifestyle. I love to feel good in my own skin, and I love to help support other women to feel good in their own skin too. So today we are back exploring again the Moodstruck Beloved palette number 3, which is the brand new palette from Unique, which I absolutely love. So I have used this so much already, and I've literally just got it last week. So I'm going to be showcasing this again, but I will be mixing it up with another palette, which is the Moodstruck Addiction palette number 8, which is a gorgeous palette of greens, golds and oranges. And I'm really just wanting to show you how great it is to mix and match your eyeshadow palettes and create gorgeous looks. So today we're going to be focusing on this gorgeous green color with the shimmers and the metallics from the Beloved palette. So I'm so excited to show you guys. Let's pretty up those eyes, make them look glam, and I can't wait to show you the finished look. Okay, so step 1, we will be applying our transition shade to the crease in the color Bewitched, which is a gorgeous gold color. And I will be sweeping that gently into the crease, sweeping back and forth to evenly distribute that color. And I just love this gold color. It is so pretty. And as you can see, I've got a gentle hand, just sweeping really nice and softly with that brush. Step 2, we will be applying Unselfish to the lid. This has got such a gorgeous shimmer, and it really just makes my eyes have such wow factor. It is really important to blend this color into that transition color, which I'm doing with my finger, but you can use a brush if that's what you prefer. Okay, so on to step number 3. I will be taking my second palette, Moodstruck Addiction number 8, and dabbing my brush into this dark green shade called Amazing. I will be adding this color to the outside corner of my eye and blending it well with a clean blending brush in tiny circular motions. This green is just amazing. Do you get it? Yeah, I'm really not that funny. Okay, on to step number 4. I'm going to be applying the color Invincible under my eye once everything else is completely blended seamlessly together. I'm just going to pop this along the top lash line and the bottom lash line, and this is just going to give me another little pop of color. And it's completely different than the Beloved palette because this is more of a powder texture, whereas the Beloved metallic shades have got that kind of more velvety, creamy sort of finish. So both are beautiful. I'm just kind of utilizing both palettes today just to show you how versatile they are. So I'm just popping that gold onto the top as a little gold eyeliner, and I think it just looks really nice to finish this look. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is priming my lashes with my lash primer. This is so great. This conditions your lashes and it really amplifies those lashes as well. So this is the perfect step before you apply your mascara. So it's going to soften and condition your lashes and preparing for the maximum mascara performance. So I don't do this every time, but I was just really in the mood just to get those lashes looking magical. So I will leave the primer on for a minute or two on the lashes before applying my Epic 4D mascara. This mascara has little fibers inside that really maximize length, volume, and it's basically just like falsies but without being false. So they give you such length and it's such a great mascara. So I just give it a little twist at the root and kind of curl inwards and upwards to get that length, and I do 2 coats usually and try not to get it all over my skin. That part I'm still working on. Now we are completely finished. This is the final result. What are your thoughts? Do you like this combo, or are you just more of a neutral girl? Both these palettes are actually on a special deal this month on my online store, and I'm going to pop down the links below so you can take a little look. There's up to 20% off. You get an eye primer, which is great for making your eyeshadow pop and more vibrant and last all day. And also there is any choice of eyeliner or any brush, and there is obviously the palettes as well. So guys, that is us finished our very pretty look with that gorgeous green color. I love it. And I just want to say a massive thank you if you've taken the time today to watch my video. I am doing a series of lots of makeup looks over the next few weeks, so please stay tuned. Video 3 is going to be up soon. So if this video has inspired you in any way, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos of health, beauty, and lifestyle just like this, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my little family. Have an amazing day, week, month, wherever you may be in the world. And remember, every day is a brand new day. Take a deep breath, smile, and start all over again. Bring the inspiration and magic always. Bye guys!